Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to create a peaceful night landscape using Paint 3D. If you are trying something new, this tutorial will help you create an amazing visual. So let's start the video. First I am choosing a deep color because this color is perfect for a night scene. Select the white color and pixel pen, then add stars to the night sky. Let's add a river. This will give the landscape a peaceful feel. Then let's create rolling hills. Draw some curved line in the center of the canvas for the hills and fill them with dark color. Now let's add a bright moon to the sky. Select the spherical shape from the 2D shape tool and draw a circle in the sky. After this, let's draw a little reflection of the moonlight on the water. To bring life to the landscape, let's draw trees and leaves on the hill. That's it, a simple yet beautiful night landscape created in Paint 3D. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.